Garret from Garret's Guitar Lessons here, and today I'm going to be going through 3 licks in the key of C and using our Mixolydian scale. These are kind of bluesy and nice for kind of some funk stuff too. Alright, so here's the first one. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with my 15th fret bend up on the 2nd string. Then I'm going to be going 13th, 14th, 15th on the 1st string. Now I'm going to be going back to the 15th fret on the 2nd string, bend up, and I'm going to be cutting it off with my right hand right there, and then going to the 13th fret on the 2nd string right there. Now, all those notes but one fit into the Mixolydian scale. Now, it's the one that doesn't is going to be that 14th fret on the 1st string, and that's just kind of a chromatic note. So instead of, there's another one that could work, but the lick is, okay, so there it is, and I'll do it slow a couple of times. Alright, so here's the second lick. This will be taking place in the same scale position, but this time I'm going to be starting out with my 3rd finger on the 14th fret, 3rd string, and my 2nd finger is going to be on the 13th fret, 2nd string. Now I'm going to be kind of sliding my 3rd finger up to the 15th fret, going back to the 14th fret again. I'm kind of hitting both the 3rd and the 2nd strings there, and my 1st finger is going to go to the 12th fret on the 3rd string right there. So I'm going to go 14th, up to 15th, 14th, 12th, then 15th on the 4th string, and then I'm going to be sliding up from the 13th fret on the 4th string up to the, or hammering on from the 13th fret to the 14th fret on the 4th string, then hitting the 13th fret on the 2nd string. So here's that 3rd lick. This one I'm going to be moving between 3 different positions. My C, move down to my D, and move down to my E, where I kind of end the lick in my E shape scale position. So this one's going to start out with my 15th fret on the 1st string, and I kind of bend that up, and I overbend it a little bit to kind of make it a little bit more bluesy. I'm going to bend it again on the 15th fret. I'm going to be going 15th, 14th, 13th. I'm going to be going to the 11th fret. This one I'm going to give just a little bit of a curl on the 1st string. So not really aiming for a note there. I'm just kind of curling that up and then cutting it off with this hand over here. Then my 3rd finger is going to go on the 2nd string, 13th fret. And I'm going to be pulling off to the 11th fret on the 2nd string, down to the 8th fret on the 2nd string. Now I'm going to be going 8th fret on the 1st string, 8th fret on the 2nd string, and then bend up on that 2nd string, 11th fret right there. Now once I do that, I'm going to go to my 8th fret on the 1st string, 11th fret on the 2nd string, and then I'm going to be doing a quick little bend on my 10th fret on my 2nd string, then 10th fret on the 3rd, and then 4th, and then be going 9th fret, little bend on the 3rd string, and then 10th fret on the 4th and 5th string. All together. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out Garret'sGuitarLessons.com, where I have some PDFs of those licks I went through, other free lessons and resources, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave me some comments in the comment section below.